Number 1.
1987 Chevrolet R10, price $6,500, showing 98,000 miles on the odometer, features an automatic transmission, a striking red exterior, and a sleek black interior. Originally equipped with a 4.3L V6, it has been upgraded to a 350 Chevrolet small block V8 with an enhanced cam, delivering powerful performance and a throaty exhaust note that matches its bold appearance. Running on gasoline, this truck starts up easily and drives smoothly, though the power steering, still installed, is currently disconnected. The carburetor may need cleaning or replacement, but with just a bit of cosmetic attention, this classic is ready to turn heads on the road and bring a smile to any driver lucky enough to sit behind the wheel.
Number 2.
1988 Ford F-150, price $7,000, boasting just 92,000 original miles. It features a green exterior, a comfortable interior, and runs on gasoline. Powered by a reliable inline-six engine paired with a smooth 5-speed manual transmission and a new clutch, this two-wheel drive pickup delivers both dependability and ease of driving. The truck is in excellent condition inside and out, with no dents, no rust on the body, and absolutely no frame corrosion. It rides on brand new tires and needs nothing. Everything works exactly as it should, from the air conditioning and heat to the radio, electric windows, power locks, and cruise control. This F-150 is truly highway ready and perfect for everyday driving. Whether you're looking for a classic that's ready to enjoy or a dependable daily driver, this well-preserved pickup is ready to hit the road.
Number 3.
1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $10,000. Over the past 8 months, and within just 5,000 miles of driving, it has received several professionally installed upgrades, including a Beltec 4.6 lowering kit with a C-notch, brand new 18x8 American racing wheels, fresh Falcon sport tires, a Flowmaster 40 series muffler, and ceramic window tint. The owner aimed to make the truck both visually appealing and highly reliable for daily driving and long road trips across the state. To achieve this, numerous new components have been installed, such as spider injectors, an intake manifold, an in-tank fuel pump, spark plugs, an AC compressor, an AC blend door actuator, as well as new clear headlights and marker lights. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1978 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,000, currently serving as a reliable farm truck that starts up without hesitation and runs smoothly. While it's not in perfect condition, it presents an excellent opportunity for someone looking to restore a vintage pickup or simply keep using it as a hard-working vehicle around a property. This Sierra 1500 features an automatic transmission for ease of driving and a long bed that provides ample space for hauling. Although the odometer has rolled over and the exact mileage is unknown, it is estimated to have around 100,000 miles over its lifetime. The truck wears a classic brown exterior paired with a tan interior, which has been well preserved and remains in good shape for its age.
Powered by a gasoline engine, this GMC continues to be used regularly on the farm, proving its enduring reliability.
Solid in structure and practical in design, it stands as a strong classic truck platform with both functional utility and restoration potential.
Number 5.
1986 Ford F250, price $9,990, powered by a 351 V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor and automatic transmission. Showing just 24,400 original miles, it was factory ordered with power steering and brakes, heavy-duty front and rear suspension, skid plates, a 4.11 limited slip rear differential, and an extra-large cooling system. Though without air conditioning, well-maintained, and running strong, it has received recent work including a new battery, valve cover gaskets, thermostat, brake master cylinder with front pads and hoses, fuel pump and filter, rebuilt carburetor, new front gas tank and gauge, heater, core and hoses, door latch posts, and hubcaps. This is a solid, low-mileage example of a classic heavy-duty Ford.
Number 6.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, showing just 69,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with a smooth and reliable manual transmission, a crisp white exterior, and a bold red interior that adds a touch of classic charm. Powered by a dependable gasoline engine, this truck has been exceptionally well cared for, remaining super clean both inside and out. Over the years, it has been maintained to a high standard, ensuring it runs and drives as great as it looks. Whether used as a dependable workhorse or cherished as a collectible classic, this Chevrolet 1500 is ready to deliver performance, style, and plenty of attention wherever it goes.
Number 7.
1993 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,500, powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It delivers dependable performance both on the road and off. Showing 145,000 miles, this truck comes with a clean title and has been well kept over the years, as evidenced by its included maintenance service records. The exterior is finished in a sleek black, complemented by a complete and well-preserved tan interior, giving it a sharp and appealing look. It's equipped with electric windows for added convenience, and the 4WD drivetrain ensures confident handling in various driving conditions. Overall, it runs and drives great, offering a solid foundation for work, play, or restoration, though it would benefit from a little TLC to bring out its absolute best.
Number 8.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,500. It has approximately 169,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a blue interior, it runs on gasoline. This 4x4 truck is powered by a 350 TBI engine, which suffered a blown head gasket and has been sitting for about a year.
The engine could either be rebuilt or replaced to bring the truck back to life.
The paint is peeling, but the body remains very straight, and the interior is in good condition apart from the headliner fabric, which has come loose. Notably, a rebuilt transmission was installed roughly 5,000 miles before the head gasket issue occurred, making it a solid candidate for restoration or an engine swap.
Number 9.
1978 GMC 1500, price $8,500, shows 100,000 miles on the odometer and comes with an automatic transmission. Painted in a striking green exterior with a matching green interior, it is powered by a dependable 350 V8 gasoline engine. This well-kept classic retains much of its original charm while offering practical features, including dealer-installed air conditioning that is fully operational, power steering, and power brakes, ensuring a smooth and comfortable driving experience. It is equipped with a 4-range transfer case offering both 2 high and 2 low settings, paired with full-time hubs for added capability in various driving conditions.
For towing and hauling needs, the truck includes a trailer brake control and a 2-inch receiver hitch.
The bed has been protected with a liner and upgraded with aluminum bed rail caps to preserve its condition.
Number 10.
1993 Chevrolet S10, price $3,995, with only 71,900 miles on the odometer. It has exceptionally low mileage for its age, reflecting how well it has been cared for over the years. Finished in a classic green exterior paired with a tan interior, it maintains a timeless, authentic look, enhanced by its original stock wheels. Equipped with a powerful and reliable V6 engine, this S10 delivers smooth, confident performance whether cruising on the highway or tackling tough terrain. Its 4-wheel drive system works flawlessly, ready for any road conditions or weather inside. The air conditioning blows ice cold for warm days, while the heater keeps the cabin toasty in colder weather. The radio functions perfectly, adding comfort and entertainment to every drive.